up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of What's Up ICS. We hope you guys had a really good second week. In this week's episode, we're going to be learning some more about Mr. Williams, who is a junior high teacher that just moved up to high school. We're going to be making one of Mrs. Hokeman's faves, ice cream sandwiches, and we're going to be meeting a lot of new special guests in this week's Student Spotlight. But before that, let's get into the announcements. For announcements this week, the school will be closed on Friday, September 4th and Monday, September 7th because of Labor Day. School Picture Day has been postponed, and Crusader cards are now up for sale for $10 each. Now let's get to know a little bit more about Mr. Williams.
Ooh,
I said
chocolate
it's
peanut
back.
butter. What's that?
Chocolate. Monty Python and the Holy Grail.
Oh, man.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Hey.
Senora.
2-1.
Dog.
We try to write it backwards so you can see it. Hey.
Yeah.
1.
Is that a sport, Mr. Williams?
3, 2, 1.
In and out.
Be backwards, but 3, 2, 1, go. 13.
I said 13.
Congrats, Carol. Your win deserves some celebration, and that comes in the form of ice cream cookie sandwiches. So let's head over to your baking segment. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
Now we're going to do the ingredients. First, you're going to need flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Now we're going to add in the butter, the brown sugar, and the white sugar. We're going to mix on the 6. Now we're going to stop it after 2 minutes, and we're going to add the vanilla extract and the eggs. Mix on 6. Now add the dry ingredients.
Now we're going to spray our lined baking sheet with Pam.
Now you're going to put the cookies on it.
Now we put them in the oven.
Now it's time to take out the cookies.
So we're going to grab a piece of ice cream, an ice cream scoop, stick it on our cookie, put the cookie on top, and push it down just a little bit.
Now it should come up like this.
As if this episode couldn't get any better, we got to fulfill one of our life's greatest dreams, meeting Jacob Noble's farm animals at 7 a.m. in the morning. Let's head over to the Student Spotlight.
Hey guys, we're here to meet our Student Spotlight.
Jacob.
And we have our goats over here. We want to step inside our perfect the velociraptor. Hey, sit right there and eat your food. The chicken's over this way. Why?
Jacob, you have a tortoise?
I don't know how old he is, but yeah, he's had a couple snake visitors and stuff.
Thanks so much, Jacob, for letting us meet your farm animals. I can easily say that meeting your goats was the highlight of Neetha's year. It's going to be a pretty hard student spotlight to top, but we'll see who's going to try on next week's episode of What's Up ICS.